It's really good. It's funny.
It's really good, and it also there's like a lot of interaction with it as well, so that you aren't just sitting and just watching.
I think I would say I think you should come and watch it because like it's for everyone. It's like not just for little kids, not just for older kids. So it's for everyone.
Yeah, really enjoyable. It's good. I think, as the children said, it's great for all the ages here, and so important to see something from history as a life. And particularly when you showed through the ages what was happening in the different decades of Riley's life, that was really fun.